Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to bring back the status vertical in WhatsApp. And here is how. To return to a vertical style, simply deactivate all of your channels from WhatsApp. If you open your update, you will notice that my status is now in a horizontal style. In order to accomplish that, for instance, you would want to tap on one of the channels here. Basically, all you would have to do is tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Tap on and then follow the instructions to remove the channel. Now that you have returned, all you have to do is repeat this process for the other channels by tapping the three dots in the upper right corner. Then tap this and follow the same steps to remove your own channel. If you choose to tap on the three dots, you won't have any options here. So, we will tap on your channel's name. Return to this page and touch on the name of the channel to access the Delete Channel button. Once all the channels have been deleted, you can observe that WhatsApp returns to its vertical style status. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.